It's draw time! Hi friends, welcome to Draw Time. Today, we're going to draw something magical and colourful. Clouds with a beautiful rainbow. Don't forget to grab your yummy snacks. While watching our drawing today, friends, it's going to be so much fun. Wow, look, that cloud looks so happy. I love it. Let's draw a star. Wow, it shines so bright. Just like a diamond in the sky. So beautiful and colourful.
Wow!
Next, let's draw the second cloud. Look, it's going to be as fluffy and happy as the first one. Hello, little one. Haha. Can you guess what we're going to draw next? That's right. A rainbow. Yay. Look, the star is dancing. Ta-da! Our drawing is complete. We have clouds, a rainbow, and a star. Did you enjoy it, my friend? Did you know our sun is actually a star too? Wow! It just looks bigger because it's the closest star to us. The other stars are super far away. That's why they look tiny and twinkly in the sky.
Wow!
If you could ride on a cloud, where would you go? Do you like watching fluffy clouds in the sky?
Wow! Wow! Wow!
Here's a fun fact. Rainbows only come when sunlight meets tiny raindrops in the sky. Isn't that cool? It's like the sky is painting for us.
Wow! Wow!
Did you know without clouds, we wouldn't have rain to water the plants? That's why clouds are very important to nature.
Wow! Wow!
Do you like happy and smiling drawings? Our drawing is ready. Let's go. It's colour time. Let's make our drawing bright and happy with beautiful colours. First is colour red. That's my favourite colour. How about you? What colour is your favourite, my friend?
Wow! Wow! Wow!
Do you think rainbows are magical? Do you like colouring more with crayons, markers or pencil?
Wow! 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 Wow!
Next is yellow. like cute faces on your drawings?
Wow!
For me, yes, I like it.
Wow!
I love watching rainbows. They're so colourful and magical.
Wow! Wow! Wow!
Blue, if you could slide down a rainbow, what would it feel like?
Wow! 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 Wow!
Wow, look at that beautiful drawing. I really love it. Do you like it, guys?
Wow!
Stars look tiny in the sky, but they are actually super duper big.
Wow!
Look, the clouds are happy and the star is dancing. Look outside, friends. You'll see big, fluffy, beautiful clouds in the sky.
Wow!
Clouds move because the wind pushes them across the sky. What do you want me to draw next time? Yay! Our drawing is all done. Do you like it, my friends? I hope you had fun with our clouds, rainbow and star drawing. Don't forget to like and subscribe, friends, so you can join me again for more fun drawings like this. Thank you very much.